Welcome to Nubway. This machine is our picosecond machine, and this is a 7-joint light guide arm imported from South Korea, and this is the light outlet. And this machine can treat many pigments, for example, the epidermal pigment like freckle and age spots, dermal pigment like alta nerves, ethel nerves, and mixed spots like chlasma and exogenous pigments like tattoos. And it can also do the beauty program like skin whitening and rejuvenation, as well as the carbon peeling treatment. And now we turn on the machine. And then we click here to enter. And you can see we have 4 modes: picosecond, long pulse, PTP, and multi-pulse. And first, we introduce the picosecond mode. We choose it and click here to enter. The picosecond mode, it is the mostly used mode. It is suitable for most of the pigments, spots, and tattoos. We click it, and you can see we have 2 modes, automatic mode and manual mode. So the first one, automatic mode, it is more suitable for the beginner. It is more easy to operate. And the manual mode, it is more suitable for the experienced person. So we click the first one, and we click here to enter. You can see in this interface we have many recommended parameters. We can choose it. And we have 2 pages, and this is the page 1, and this is the page 2. We can click it. And then we click this button to enter. And here we adjust the wavelengths. We have 2 wavelengths, 532 and 1064. The 1064, it is used for most of the pigments and tattoo. And 532, it is used for most of the colorful tattoo. And here we adjust the spot size. We take the handle and push here up. Rotate the handle to adjust the spot size. And this is the frequency. We can reduce it here and increase it here. And this is the energy. We can reduce it here and increase it here. And these 2 numbers, it is the temperature and the water flow. And after we adjust all the parameters, we click the simmer first, and then we click the work. And now our machine is ready to work. At that time, when we step on the pedal, the machine will release the energy. And then we go back to introduce the manual mode. We click it and then choose here. You can see the interface is totally the same with the last one. We can just adjust it. Then we go back to introduce the long pulse mode. We click it and then click here to enter. So the long pulse mode, it is more suitable for the skin rejuvenation and the carbon peeling treatment and the fine wrinkle removal, acne removal, and the large pore. So you can see this mode only with the 1064 nanometers. And the interface is totally the same with the picosecond. We can adjust all the parameters and do the treatment. And then we go back to introduce the PTP mode. We click it and enter it. You can see the interface is totally the same with the picosecond. So the PTP with the similar function of picosecond, but compared with the standard single pulse, PTP has relatively weaker peak energy. It reduces the potential side effects of photothermal action of single pulse. The operation is totally the same with picosecond. Then we go back to introduce the multi-pulse. We click it and enter it here. The interface is totally the same with the picosecond. Multi-pulse mostly used for the treatment of chlasma, and it improves the treatment effect and fully guarantees the safety of the treatment. This machine is equipped with 4 specifications of outlets. They are 650 nanometers and 585 nanometers and 755 nanometers, and another one is 1064 nanometers. Now let's do the carbon peeling treatment. First, we need to use the saline water and towel to wipe our skin. And then we wear the goggles for our client. And now we apply on the carbon gel. Now let's wait for 5 minutes until the gel dry. Now the gel is dry. Let's do the treatment. We need to wear the laser glasses and then turn on the machine. And we need to adjust the spot size. And then we click the simmer and the work. At that time, when we step on the pedal, the handle will release the energy. Now let's do the treatment. Now we finished. Let's turn off the machine and take off the goggles. And then we need to use the saline water and towel to wipe it. And now we need to use the medical hydrating mask. do the tattoo removal treatment. First, we need to use the saline water to wipe our skin surface. And then we need to apply on the numbing cream. And then we need to apply on the plastic film. And now we need to waiting for 30 to 15 minutes. Now we turn on the machine. We adjust the spot size. We use 5. And click simmer and work to start the treatment.
Really well there. Really well. Doing alright? Yeah. Probably about the halfway mark there. Nearly done. Couple seconds. Count 3, 2, 1. And now we apply on the numbing cream. Now we remove the numbing cream. Now let's do the treatment. We need to wear the laser glasses and turn on the machine. And then we click the simmer and the wok. Then we can start to do the treatment.